you're considering relocating to Revelstoke, BC, but don't know what type of schools or what type of daycare services that Revelstoke has, well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be covering all those opportunities for young families and people who have young children that are looking to move to Revelstoke, BC. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, BC, well, you can go to the description and you can schedule a call directly with me at a time that works best for you. Or if you're someone that's wanting new construction homes in Revelstoke, me and my team, we have exclusive access to majority of the developments in Revelstoke, like ones, for example, like the Campfire townhomes that have legal basement suites and 3 to 4 floor plan options. These can be great for young families. Or the Hemlock Development in Southside. This is a really affordable project too. That's in a great location. So, and then we have the peaks too as well. So if you're someone that's watching this and you have a budget that's in the 600,000 range and you'd like a townhouse, or you're looking for a condo that's in the 300,000 range, we also have that development that potentially might work for you. So if you would like the information on those projects, reach out to me directly to get access to that information. So let's talk about schools in Revelstoke, and this is a question that I get from a lot of people that have young families looking to move to Revelstoke. So let's dive into it. Number one is we have Arrow Heights Elementary. This is located closer to the ski hill across the bridge, and it is a kindergarten to grade 7 school. It's definitely in a very quiet area, in a family-friendly neighborhood that has a strong sense of community. And usually single-family homes in Arrow Heights are selling for about $1,350,000 right now. Number 2 is Bagby Elementary School. So that's on the other side of the bridge, located closer to the downtown area. This once again is a kindergarten to grade 7 school. Bagby View is known for providing excellent academic programs for kids, along with plenty of extracurricular activities. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, drop a comment down below saying home, and I will give you a list of the top 3 best investments that are currently in Revelstoke, British Columbia right now. And number 3 is going to be for all the high school students. This is Revelstoke Secondary School. So this goes from grade 8 all the way up to graduation at grade 12. So one thing to really consider, yes, there is only a limited amount of schools in Revelstoke, but it does have a population of 8,000 people. But it does have plenty of resources and a great school program for kids in order to grow up in. So if you're looking to relocate here and you want to purchase some property in Revelstoke, well, reach out to me directly. I'll be able to help you every step of the way. Or if you want access to all the new construction projects that are selling in Revelstoke, reach out to me. I have exclusive opportunities with the Hemlock Development, which would be a great project for people depending on their price point, or the Campfire, where it has townhouses with legal suites, or the Peaks, which is the most affordable new construction development in Revelstoke right now. Now let's talk about the daycare options. So this is definitely a massive constraint in pretty much any city where you live in, that there isn't enough daycare services. But Revelstoke definitely has plenty of services for people that have young kids. Number 1, we got 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐿 Childcare. This offers an inclusive learning opportunity with programs designed for kids of all abilities. Then you have the Ray of Sunshine Daycare. Ray of Sunshine is known for its flexibility, where you can have kids there all day long, or you can just drop them off, and has a more flexible approach in terms of offering its daycare service. Number 3 is going to be the Revelstoke After School Society. This group provides kids with opportunities after school that has nature-based learning programs, and for something for kids, if their parents are maybe working until 5 or 6 p.m., they can go and attend after school and still have a place to go instead of just going home and getting up to trouble. So if you liked what you heard and you think that Revelstoke's going to provide enough schools and daycare options in order for your family to relocate there, well, then reach out to me directly. We can see exactly what you can potentially purchase in terms of real estate. And if you're interested in those new construction projects and you want access to floor plans and pricing, well, you can reach out to me directly. Go to the description. There's a link that goes to my calendar. Book a time that works best for you, and we can understand your real estate goals. And if you're someone that's still in the preliminary stages of researching what it's like to buy property in Revelstoke, well, you're going to want to watch this video here where I break that down into detail.